In going with this scanner, we're able to give the patients at our smaller community hospital the same exact exams they're getting in the larger hospitals in the city, and yet they're able to stay close to home. We chose the Hitachi SCENARIA View because it had essentially the bigger gantry, an 80-centimeter gantry. We have our claustrophobic patients, we have our larger patients. They don't feel as confined, it's more comfortable for them. The table shifts laterally. It saves from having to reposition the patient on the table, so it's safer for them, and it reduces the radiation dose to the patient because we're able to center that body part right in the center of the gantry. And this is 128 slice, so that's going to allow us to have higher image quality, lower radiation dose for our patients. So this machine it's called HIMAR Plus. It's a metal reduction software. It minimizes the artifacts that we get. The exam is more accurate so the doctors can make an accurate diagnosis for the patient. As soon as we chose Brown's as our vendor of choice, having a company come in and just the family feel of it, like they actually genuinely care, because I know no matter the time of day or the day of the week, we can pick up the phone, we call one number, and we get what we need, and they're on it. That makes all the difference in the world. Like, it's people you want to work with.